Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to this course. So you're probably here in the section number 1 and lecture number 1. So I want to give you some of the tips that will help you keep going with this course, because I have seen so many guys, they just buy this course and then they end up taking that course. They don't watch it because they might not understand this. And so here I'm going to be giving you 5 tips that you can implement, and then you yourself will keep going with this course. So make sure to implement them, and it will help you guys a lot. And do not just skip this video. This video is so important. Okay, so the first tip we have is the speed of the video. So if you think that I'm talking a little bit more faster, or if you think that I'm talking a little bit more slow, then what you can do, you can just go ahead and you can manage the speed here. So if you are a fluent English speaker and you think that I'm talking very slow, and then you can make it much faster, and it will help you guys a lot. Make sure to just set it, because this course is for everyone, guys, because there are so many guys who know English very well and so many guys who know English a little bit. So this course is for everyone, obviously, guys. Okay, so if you think that I'm talking very slow, then make sure to just go ahead and keep it 1.25x, and it will solve your problem, and you yourself will keep going. Okay, so the second tip we have here is the quality of the video. This is very important, guys. Okay, so this is a web development course that is called a WordPress course. Okay, and we just focus on the design, development, and everything. And I want you to make sure that the video that you are watching is clear to you. So what you can do, you can just come here to this settings right here. You can hover your mouse here, and here it says the quality. So make sure that the highest quality is selected, and then if it is selected, then your quality will be so increased, and you will love this course, guys. Seriously, quality matters a lot. Okay, and the third tip that we have here is the question and answer. Udemy basically have their own online forum that you can interact with me. I'm your instructor, Tanzil Rahman. You can interact with me while watching this course. So let's suppose that you are, okay, I want to give you a task. Make sure to just go to section number 1 and lecture number 1. If you are here in any of the lecture, you can just go to the section number 1 and lecture number 1. Okay, and make sure that you are here, and what you have to do, you have to just click browse question and answer, and then what you have to do, you have to here introduce yourself. So you have to just come here, you have to click here, ask a new question, and then you have to introduce yourself. So you have to write here the subject, that means that intro, and then here you can write here, hey, my name is Tanzil and I am new to this course. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just click post question, and this question is going to be posted, and then when I will log myself into the dashboard, I will reply to it here, and it will be so helpful for you guys. Seriously, guys, it will be so helpful for you. How it will help you is that whenever you have any of the problems, so let's suppose that when we were building a professional based WordPress website, okay, and you have a problem like installing WordPress in the subdomain name. Okay, so you have a problem in this lecture. You will just come here, to browse question and answer, and then you will ask a new question that, hey Tanzil, I have a problem in this section, in this lecture, please help me figure out this problem. And then I will help you guys in this. So make sure to just go ahead, make sure to go to the section number 1 and the lecture number 1, and make sure to ask me a question here in the question forum, guys. Okay, so now the fourth tip that I want to give you is also a very important tip. Okay, and that is to make sure to implement everything on a new tab. Okay, so you can see that here we have like installing WordPress. You have to make sure that you create your own website. Okay, and you can see that we are creating different websites here in different sections. Like, let's build a personal website, let's build another business website, let's build a professional blog, let's build a professional business WordPress website. So make sure to try every website and do every website on your side. And so that how it will help you is that whatever you are learning here, you will do everything on the side panel. So it will help you a lot, because the best way to learn is by doing. Okay, and you have to do it. If you do not do it, you will not be able to learn, guys. So make sure to just implement everything, and it will help you a lot. The fifth tip, sorry, which is not basically a tip, it is a gift for you guys. And that is, after you complete all these items that we have in our course, you will be given a certificate. So this will be like the color of this will be changed. You have to just click this button, and a certificate will be emailed to you, and also a certificate will be here in the window, and you can just go ahead, you can download that in PDF, and then you can get it printed out. So I'm so excited to just start this course with you guys. Let's just get started. See ya.